Bluey ran through the giant jungle fast. Bingo bounced beside her laughing loud, and suddenly the ground shook violently. Muffin shouted, "Watch out, could something huge be coming?" Bandit grabbed Chili's hand tight. Rusty pointed at a massive glowing tree ahead. Indy gasped, "It's pulsing with strange light. Could magic be waiting?" From behind the tree emerged a colossal dinosaur, huge. Its scales shimmered green and gold sharp. Socks barked, nervously pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is dangerous. Could they survive?" The dinosaur stomped forward, shaking the jungle hard. Bingo clutched her balloon high. Muffin hid behind Chili, worried. Could courage protect them? Bandit raised a sturdy branch, ready. Rusty grabbed a glowing vine for backup. Indy shouted, "Stay together. Could teamwork defeat it?" Bluey noticed glowing patterns along the dinosaur's back, bright. She shouted, "Aim there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling stone fast. Could it weaken the beast? The dinosaur roared, leaves and sparks flying everywhere. The jungle trembled loud. Socks barked, dodging falling branches. Could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a rock, shouting, "Move forward." Rusty swung the vine, blocking attacks. The dinosaur paused, confused. Could cleverness calm it? Suddenly the dinosaur froze completely still. Its eyes softened, amber warm. Chili whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing stone. Could teamwork finish it? The patterns pulsed brighter, then faded. The dinosaur bowed its head, majestic. Smoke and leaves cleared, revealing a glowing crystal inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the jungle, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous, bright. Could the next journey be wilder? The friends stepped through together, brave. The jungle twisted into a floating realm, magical. Bingo laughed, amazed. Muffin twirled around, happy. Could endless adventures await? Above them, rainbow birds circled wildly. Sparks of magic scattered across the trees. Rusty shouted, "Keep watching." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the jungle guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high, shining. The light spread across the jungle, bright. Chili smiled, proud. Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling, massive. Glittering worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can face anything together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you step in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and leap into the next jungle adventure with Bluey and friends.